We are now in Koya San, or Mount Koya, a sacred mountain retreat that's a spiritual haven nestled in the lush mountains of Yakahama Prefecture. Ready for a journey that combines tranquility, history, and a touch of mysticism? Imagine this. It is the 9th century, and the monk Kukai, also known as Kobodaishi, has just founded the Shingon Buddhist sect here. Fast forward to today, and Koya San has become one of Japan's most important spiritual centers, home to over 100 temples and monasteries. It's like stepping into another world, far from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Koya San is not just a place of worship, but also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The main attraction is Okunoin, Japan's largest cemetery, where over 200,000 tombstones line the peaceful forest path. The most significant tomb belongs to Kobodaishi himself, who is believed to be in eternal meditation. As you wander through this sacred mountain retreat, you'll encounter some stunning sights. Danjugaran, a temple complex at the heart of Koya San, features the iconic Compound Daito Pagoda, a symbol of Shingon Buddhism. For a truly immersive experience, why not stay overnight at a temple lodging? You can join the monks for meditation, participate in morning prayers, and savor the traditional vegetarian Buddhist cuisine. It is a rare opportunity to experience the serene monastic life firsthand. And here's a tip. Don't miss the nighttime illumination at Okunoin. The pathway to Kobodaishi's mausoleum is lined with thousands of lanterns, creating an ethereal and mystical atmosphere. It is truly magical, and you won't soon forget. While you're there, take a moment to relax and soak in the tranquility of Koya San. The peaceful ambience, the sound of rustling leaves, and the scent of incense will transport you to a place of deep reflection and serenity. Before you leave, don't forget to take a selfie at one of the beautiful temples and tag us at Pocket Explorer. Au revoir and keep exploring!